Today we're going to begin a couple days of coding using code.org this year. So make sure you find your class's name, because if you don't click on your class, you're not going to find your name. When you click on it, it's going to take you to a page where you're going to find your name, and then I'm going to have a little piece of paper where it is going to have your secret words. So you're going to have 2 secret words. I think they're all in lowercase, and you're going to have 1 space between. You need to spell them correctly, otherwise you're not going to be able to log in. You don't need to click I have a partner. You're just going to type in your 2 secret words, and you're going to click sign in. Now, it may ask for your age once you get logged in, which would look like this. Then you're going to see all of these activities. Now, we will not have time to get through all of these. Don't worry about that. We're not going to do the unplugged activities. We're just going to skip those because that means they're offline. We're going to start at Coding with Angry Birds and number 1. This is the Express course. So you're just going to click on number 1. This one, it looks like it is a video. So you're going to watch the video, and then once you're finished, you'll click the yellow continue button, and it will keep moving you through the course. Now, this is block coding like we have done before. So everything has to be under the when run button, and it has to be connected. So you figure out how many times the Angry Bird here needs to move forward to get to the pig. If you don't want to block, you can always move it over there. If you are ready to try it, you click run. If it doesn't work, that's totally fine. You can always start over. It doesn't matter if you get it wrong the first time. So I didn't go far enough, so I hit move another one over. I reset it and I run it. I try it again. Totally fine if you don't get it right the first time. If you need to try a couple different things, little trial and error never hurt anybody. So once I've completed it, I've written 2 lines of code, I'm going to continue and I'm going to keep moving through the puzzles. Just get as far as you can. We're going to be working on this for a couple of days.